Have you ever wondered why some students struggle with reading, even after lots of practice? The problem might not be how much they're reading, it might be what they're reading. Because if students aren't reading the right kind of text, they won't build real skills. That's why decodable books work. They give students practice they can actually use. So what are decodable books? Decodable books are texts that are carefully written using phonics skills students have already learned. By reading decodable books, students can actually sound out the words, instead of guessing or memorizing. Decodable books work because they give students controlled practice with skills they already know. Instead of being overwhelmed, students read words they can decode using letter sounds, blending, and phonics patterns they already know. This builds confidence, accuracy, and real reading skills. Students aren't guessing, they're reading by decoding. With predictable or leveled books, students often rely on pictures or patterns instead of reading the words. But with decodable texts, students rely on the code, the relationship between sounds and letters. That's what actually builds strong readers. Reading by decoding. So, what are some types of decodable texts? There are so many ways to use decodable texts in your classroom, like decodable mini books. These are short, simple books that focus on one phonics skill at a time. Decodable passages are slightly longer texts for building comprehension and stamina. Fluency strips are great for early readers. They are quick, repeated reading strips to build speed and accuracy. Word lists give students focused decoding practice with specific phonics patterns. Sentence strips are simple sentences that reinforce blending and meaning. Decodable games and centers are great hands-on ways to practice reading skills in a fun way. Each one gives students another chance to practice decoding in a structured way. When students practice with decodable texts, they're building the foundation for all future reading. Students learn, I can look at a word and figure it out. That's powerful. If you want your students to become confident, independent readers, decodable texts are a must. Because reading isn't guessing. Reading is decoding.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more engaging literacy videos.